been an attorney here since April of 2018. I love being able to help people through their worst moments. They call me after a really traumatic event. I'm able to calm them down and kind of help them through. If I wasn't a lawyer, I might be a doctor or veterinarian. I love animals. One of my favorite quotes is, "Never regret anything that made you smile." Outside of work, I love to travel. If I can, I love to scuba dive, travel places that are tropical. And when I'm at home, having a quiet moment, I like to read. I love going downtown Detroit. I think it's a lot of fun, especially in the Greektown area, and I love Michigan football. I want my clients to know that I care about them, and I'll work very hard to help them through.